If you spend a prolonged amount of time focused on anything visually, chances are you're going to experience a little bit of eye strain and fatigue. This might be working at the computer, playing too much on your phone, reading a book, or going for a long drive. If you're experiencing this eye strain and fatigue, you can take a 3-minute break and do a quick self-Shiatsu routine that will give you a little bit of relief and a little bit of a respite. Shiatsu is a Japanese therapy that, in a nutshell, can be described as finger pressure. The trick is applying that pressure without tension in the fingers. If you can keep your fingers relaxed, that will create a more soothing, penetrating pressure. Let's get started. First, we're going to take the tips of the ring, middle, and index fingers and place them on the top of the orbital bone, just above the eye. Let the pad of your fingers rest on your eyeball, and instead of pressing your eye with your fingers, you're going to let your face and head drop into your hands. Keep your fingers relaxed and allow that pressure to penetrate as you take a few deep breaths. Next, we're going to take those 3 fingertips to the bottom of the orbital bone, just under the eye, hooking with the fingertips and letting the weight of your wrist apply the pressure. You can hold this position with your fingers relaxed for 3 breaths. Next, you're going to get the thumbs wrapped around your jawbone so that you can place your fingertips along your temple. You'll start at the corner of your eyebrow. Don't rub, just apply perpendicular pressure. Hold that pressure for a moment. Make sure you relax while you're applying that pressure, and then move on to the next point. Work your way along the temple from the top corner of the eyebrow to the top corner of the ear. You should feel the penetration of the pressure before you release each point. Keep your arms relaxed and don't flare your elbows out to the side. Next, place the thumb where the bridge of the nose meets the corner of the eye, and you can overlap the other hand. Relax your thumb and just think about using your thumb as a pedestal, supporting your face as you lean into your thumbs once again. Take a few deep breaths here. And then finally, we'll get the fingers back over the eyes one more time. Same thing as we did at the beginning. Hinging at your hips and letting your face relax into your hands. A few deep breaths. And you should feel a little bit better after that. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you can think of anybody who might benefit from this, please share it with them. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.